Hello friends, welcome to my class, Pandey Praveen class. In the previous class, we were dealing about concave mirror and convex mirror, and we dealt what is called pole, what is called center of curvature, and those things. So let's just see a background, means a flashback. So if you see this concave mirror, this is called pole P, this is called focus or focus principal axis, this is called center of curvature. So C stands for center of curvature, F stands for focus or principal focus, P stands for pole. Okay, now this is my concave mirror and convex mirror. Okay, and R is equals to 2F. Remember that distance between F and P is equal to distance between C and F. Okay, so that's why we got R is equals to 2F. R is equals to 2F. If at all you see these mirrors, position of object is at infinity. Okay, so now in today's class we shall discuss about image formation by a concave mirror, for different position of object, for different position of object. It means that what would be my image if my object is at different places. So that is today's class. Remember, it's very important class. I mean, you might be getting bits, okay? So, but this is basic. So here we would be dealing about concave mirror. So just for this moment, forget about convex mirror. Focus on concave mirror. In this, we have around 4 to 5 cases. Okay. Of that, the first case. First of all, let us draw a concave mirror. Let us draw a concave mirror. If this is my concave mirror and these are my shaded part, means back of the concave mirror, and reflection would be taking here. Okay, and if this is my pole, this is my principal focus F, this is my center of curvature C, and if this is my principal axis, see, this is just an imaginary line. Okay, now so this principal focus F, pole, center of curvature, they all lie in a streamline. And remember that it follows laws of reflection. Of that, first one is very important. Angle of incident is equal to angle of reflection. Remember this one. Angle of incidence is equal to angle of refraction. So actually this is not capital R, it should be small r. Okay, it should be small r. So I is equal to R. Now in the first point, when object is at infinity. First point is what? When object is at infinity. Let us see where my image would be and what would be nature of image. See, whenever my object is at infinity, see, this is my object. So if my object is at infinity, then surely my image would be formed at focus F. F. Okay now, remember that angle of incident I is equal to angle of reflection R. Okay, so if at all my object is at somewhere infinity, then surely my image would be formed at the focus. So we can say that, what we can say, position of my image is at focus, is at focus. Now since it is focus, size of image would be a bit small, but the image would be real, but and inverted. So in this you should remember only first basic point, that image would be at focus, position of image would be my focus, nature of image is real. For all you will get real and inverted image except one. What is that one? Whenever the position of my object is between P and F, that case we will be dealing later. But all those 5 cases, in every cases nature of image is real and inverted. Let me write here, nature of image is real. Okay, you followed, that is enough. That is first case, when object is at infinity. Now let's go with second case. This is my second case, when my object is beyond C. Object beyond C means center of curvature. Let us try to draw diagram for that, ray diagram for that. So if this is my concave mirror, okay, this is my principal axis, it lies P, it lies F, it lies C. Okay, so second means what? When my object is beyond C. If this is C, somewhere here, but not infinity, okay no? Beyond C but not infinite, okay now. So when my object is beyond C, it doesn't mean that it's at infinity, okay, just it's beyond C. Then obviously my, see, let's say from here, no, so my image would be between F and C, here, somewhere here. Okay now, see, whenever my object is beyond C, then my position of image would be between B and C. See, in between B and C, my image would be formed. Remember, image would be formed in between what? C and F. That is my second case. So let's go with third case. So what is third case? When my object is at C. So this is my concave mirror, principal axis, pole F, C. Okay, so when my object is at C, then surely see it's at C, then my image would also form at C. Okay, so my image image would form at C only. Don't worry, we will write a table for this again. Just try to understand now how it might be formed. Okay, that is my third case. Let's go with fourth case. Okay, now when my object is between C and F, when my object is between C and F. So if this is my concave mirror, principal axis, pole is P, focus F, C. If at all my object is between C and F, then my image would form beyond C. Then my image would form beyond C. So whenever my object is between C and F, then my image would form beyond C. Beyond C. In this one, you will have enlarged image beyond C. That is my fourth one. So here, fifth case. Okay, now when my object is at F. So if this is my concave mirror, this is my pole, this is my focus F, this is my center of curvature C. Okay, now so when object is at F, then go to first case. Then my image would form somewhere at infinity. So at CF, then my image forms at infinity. Okay, any doubt? Please comment me and please subscribe my channel, need your help. And last one, whenever my object is between P and F, means what? Pole and focus. So if this is my mirror, this is my pole, this is my focus, this is my C. Okay, so whenever my image is between P and F, okay, now P and F, then my image would be formed behind. Image would form behind. Okay, image would form behind. Image would form behind. Only in this one you will have virtual image, virtual and erect image. Only in this one you will have virtual and erect image. Any doubt? So we shall try to write a table for that. Try to draw a table for that. Okay, now so let us begin. So if at all you see this table, first column would be position of object. Okay, now so from here we'll be continuing in the next class. Okay, thank you.